Hi children.
Hi, children.
Hi friends.
Hi, friends.
Alright. Hi, teacher Sarah Sama here. Hi. And this is
Giselle.
Giselle is going to show you what are we going to do today. What are we going to do today?
We're going to do ship.
Yeah, we are going to make a ship. So what you need from your craft box is this paper plate
And this green
envelope.
envelope.
Alright. And glue. Alright. Glue. I also have packed glue inside the craft kits for you all.
Okay.
Okay, shall we open it and see what's inside?
Okay. We need to.
We're going to use the back of the paper plate, alright? Because we need this.
It's
Yeah, we have cotton. It's called cotton. Oh,
sorry, I dropped.
it's okay. The eyes. We have the wiggly eyes for
We
your.
have the ears.
Yeah, the ears.
And we have the cotton.
The cotton. This is
So
sheep
big
plate,
eyes.
okay? So we're
big
going to
eyes.
cover.
Mama, it's so big eyes.
Yeah, big eyes. This sheep's going to have a big eye, alright? So can we put all
But
these
can I
aside?
put the glue?
Yes, this time you can put the glue. If be generous with the glue. Put as much glue as you like. Okay, this one we're gonna throw this away. Alright. Okay, so can you put glue all around the paper plate?
Okay.
Okay? All around the paper plate. Ooh, squeeze as much as you want. And then what you're gonna do with this cotton ball is we're just gonna
It's
tear
like
out a little bit.
aliens. It's like aliens.
Roll into ball like alien. Just stick all around the paper plate.
It's
Alright?
like a
Glue.
moon.
Like a moon. You have to spread the glue. Do you know that?
It's like a spiral.
Come, let me help you. Maybe. Okay, just tear a little
Done.
bit of the cotton. And then
Okay,
just
around.
roll it into a ball and then stick. Stick.
Okay.
Stick all over the paper plate. Okay, stick. Now done. Huh? This one, can you roll into the ball? Okay, stick. Now, here you go.
Making a sheep.
Yeah, we are making a shape. You're right, absolutely right. Okay, can stick already. Not too small, huh? Not too small. Try not to stick too small. Okay. This. Not yet. Finish. We're going to cover the paper plate with this cotton wool, okay? Because sheets is covered with wool, alright? Now,
Oops.
it's okay. Later you can wash your hands.
No need.
Okay, later you can wash it. Okay. And she got distracted trying to peel off the glue. Come on, stick
What a
first.
skin.
It's not skin, it's glue. You stick first. Later only we peel, okay? Finish sticking first.
No need. Don't have glue.
Then you have to put some more glue. Can you roll? Oopsie, flying away. Can you pull
It's
up
like
yourself?
it's like a ball.
Okay, stick. Okay, you have to miss the spot here, okay? Can you put that? Okay, glue. Okay. You take the cotton. Tear out some. No need so big. Small piece by small piece. Okay, small piece by small piece, yeah. Okay. Enough. In the middle here, you miss the spot. Okay, never mind. Now. So we're gonna put the side here also, okay? So we're just gonna put glue all around the paper plate. Okay, we still have cotton. Continue doing your work. Continue. Now. Okay, let me help you a bit so we can speed up. Yes. Okay. Well done. Now. Cover the paper plate with what? Cotton wool. Yep. Are you having fun?
Yep.
Now.
Okay.
Alright, take your time, huh? Stick. Oopsie, you can take your time, yeah, children. Don't have to rush. Okay.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited. Now, can you roll? Let's put a small one here. Okay, continue.
Oh my.
Ah. Let me see. grow too small the ball, okay? Got not enough wool. Okay, don't grow too small, alright? Okay? Don't grow too small already.
Oops.
Oopsie. Yeah.
Go down.
I think you shouldn't roll your ball already. It's not got not enough wool. Okay, come. Nah, don't look too small, huh? Okay. Oopsie, my hand, my finger also have. Alright, you're gonna finish up already. Left a little bit more. Giselle? Giselle. And where else? Are you done? Okay, later we can wash our hands, huh? Okay, now your paper plate is covered with
How about the
cotton. So next we are going to give this
Hi.
this shape a face. Okay, so can you put glue on the bigger oval shape? That's the face. Okay, so can you put
I
glue?
want to put glue.
Yeah. Okay, this time you have to spread. Alright, don't squeeze too much. You have to spread the glue. Alright, enough. Okay, enough. Okay, do you want me to help? Ah, my finger has glue already. Okay, spread. Now you flip it over and stick it in the stick it.
Spread.
Never mind. Okay, stick it slightly above. Mimi, Giselle. Huh? Can you take this one and stick? Giselle?
Wait, got something on your hair.
Never mind, it's okay. Later only we
It's
take it.
cotton on your hair.
Cotton on my hair. I must be looking very funny. Giselle, can you take this? Stick here? Okay, I help you. Stick slightly above, okay? Slightly above here. Like that. So here's the head. Okay, so next we're going to stick the ear here, alright? The ear is the smaller semicircle, smaller one. You can see one is longer and one is shorter. Stick the shorter one for the ear. Okay? So I'm just going to put glue on top of the head here. On top of the head here, on top here. You can see on top here. And then we're going to stick the ear. Okay, Giselle, let me stick one, huh? You can stick the next one. Can you try sticking it? Yep, that is right. Hey, slightly above, okay, so you can see the ear. Okay, next we're going to stick two legs. Three.
No, the eyes.
Okay, two legs here, like that. Alright, okay? Alright, we stick the legs first, okay? Water is flying everywhere. Okay, the legs at the bottom. At the bottom, bottom. That's the leg, That's the body. Ah, okay, at the bottom. It's the leg at the head there. At the bottom here, one more. Why there's two legs only? Because there's another two legs behind. You can't see, okay? So this is just the front view. Alright, so next one is missing. What's next? Oh, your hair is so long. Okay, come, the eyes.
Ma, I want
Okay, sorry, you can do. Not too much. This time you don't put too much, okay?
No funny.
Yeah. Alright, well done.
Whoa, so funny.
That's not the eye, that's the glue. Can you stick the eye for the sheep?
Look like eye.
Ah, perfecto. Next one.
Another eye.
Another eye. You have another eye there, okay. And then we are done.
So we can get this other.
How does the sheep sound?
Nah.
Alright, so that is your sheep. Cute, right? Okay, so enjoy
It's a
your
baby
sheep
sheep.
craft.
It's a baby sheep.
Yeah, it's a baby
We
sheep.
need the name.
Okay, what's the name? What's the name of the sheep?
Susie.
Sushi. Sushi, okay.
Sushi.
Alright.
How about Hello Kitty?
Hello Kitty. It's not Hello Kitty. Alright, come. We have to say
How
bye
about,
already.
how about Minnie Mouse?
Okay, that's all for our video. So enjoy your sheep craft. And we see you next week. Say bye-bye.
Bye. You feel
Love you, bye.
bye.